Hey there everybody, I'm going to show you how to install a mailbox and a new mailbox post. Here's a list of things that you'll need. The mailbox post itself is in any major hardware store. A drill with a screwdriver bit, a 2x4, some quickcrete, any fast-drying cement will do, a bucket of about 2 gallons of water, a mailbox mounting bracket, and a post hole digger, which I suggest you rent because they're really cheap to rent. Tape measure, level, 2 long screws, 4 medium screws, and 4 short screws, and of course the mailbox itself. If you live in the United States, there's a standard the U.S. Postal Service has that it has to be 6 to 8 inches from the face of the curb and 41 to 45 inches high above ground level. They suggest digging a 2-foot hole. I'm having no problem putting this in 16 to 18 inches of a dig. If you've never used a post hole digger, it's certainly an easy way to get about a 6-inch hole into the ground without a lot of effort and a lot cleaner than using a shovel. I grab my level, make sure that the post is plumb, pour some quickcrete, which is really convenient because you don't need to mix anything. Basically make sure that thing is level, plumb. The quickcrete is dry, it's poured, and you just dump the water into it, and it firms up by itself. Just make sure the deck itself is level, and after it's dry overnight, just grab your screwdriver or drill and release that 2x4 that was helping that stay level overnight. I'm choosing to weather treat mine, one because it's prettier and matches the door and shutters of my home, but I also think it adds an extra layer of protection. Today's weather-treated wood isn't as good as the old stuff, which actually used to have formaldehyde in it. So it does rot and it grays a lot faster. I'm harvesting an otherwise good condition mailbox, but an obviously old rickety post. But the decks, the platforms that are really cheap at any hardware store are convenient because they have a lot of pre-drilled holes of different sizes, but what's really nice is the 4 on the top of the deck that just easily secure on the mailbox post. This is where you'll need the 4 medium-sized screws to just set that platform in place. One thing I suggest is just make sure when you put that mailbox on that the door opens and clears properly before you grab those 4 smaller screws that you're going to use to just secure the mailbox itself into the decking. It's okay if you have a prefabricated plastic one that those side holes don't line up. In fact, it's better if they don't. It makes the box sit a little more securely. And there you've got it. Very simple, very easy, and very cost-effective way to get yourself a brand new mailbox and post. Hey, if you like this, please subscribe and hit like. Thanks for watching.